welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That'd be great. I appreciate any comments. It's always good to hear from you, and that really makes a big difference in my channel, is the interaction between us. So that's why liking and comments are important. I'm a small channel, so every little bit counts. But speaking of small things, I've got the Ipsy Glam Bag for January 2023. And I can't wait to see what's in here. I know what's in here. I got to pick one thing, and then they show me what else is in here, but I always forget. And I think I've got some add-ons. Yes, I got add-ons too. So the first add-on is one of my favorite mascaras. It is the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I've got it on right now, and it makes my lashes look great. And this was a really good price for this mascara. What else did I get? Oh, this Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer. Let's see if it's a good match. Ooh, that's going to be good. It's got a big old doe foot for a little bitty bottle. So that's cool. So those were my two add-ons. And everything else is just between me and Ipsy. Oh. Oh. I did not expect this. I chose the Milani mascara. I did not expect a full-size mascara. That's insane. It's supposed to be really good too. And it's highly rated anti-gravity, out of this world mascara. And it's up to 24-hour wear, which will never happen for me. It's intense black lashes that defy gravity. I hate when they do the little picture of the no mascara and then the mascara is amazing, because I've never seen a mascara actually do what is on the package. But this is really exciting to have a full-size mascara. I was expecting a sample-size mascara. And then I've got a brush, and it's a nice fluffy brush. It feels really good. It's packed and it's soft. And this is from something. It's a blender brush from somebody, but it looks really nice. And I love a blending brush. Then we have this fantastic fluffy bag. I love textures. Textures. Let's see what else we have in here. Boom. Oh, we've got a little card. It says the year of you. And it tells me everything that's in here good. It's a half caked. And I've got a setting powder that I just got from Half Caked and BoxyCharm. And this is the blender brush. And this is, I think, an $8 value. And the mascara is a $12 value. Next we have a nail polish. Oh my gosh. It's a little tiny nail polish. It's from Plum Color Affair Nail Polish in Moonlit. I can't wait to see the baby size. It's precious. And it's got some sparkle in it. And I love a sparkly nail polish, as you can tell. But it's sparkly and pretty. And it's so tiny. It's for a little munchkin person. It's for a little elf. So that's cool. Then we have, also for a munchkin person, a little It Cosmetics Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Serum in Cream. And full size of this is like $69. This is probably about $4 worth. It's so tiny. But that's the thing about the Glam Bag, is you get some full-size stuff, you get some bite-sized stuff, and it's only $13. And then we have from Oriza, it's sealed in plastic. It is the Color Nebula Shimmer Palette. I'm going to open this up. And this is a $20 value, so this is full size. It's just small. You can have full size things be small. And there's the package. And it's a really cute little eyeshadow quad. Now this would be great on like a little overnight trip. And this would be a real easy eye look, and I like the colors. So this is full size. This is full size. The brush is full size. Then we have two little tiny things. And this is a pretty good glam bag because I'm excited about having a brush and this big old mascara. Because I love mascara more than I think I do. And then I got my little add-ons, which was the Blink mascara and the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. So this is a great bag this month. I'm super stoked. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I'll be back more throughout the month because I post at least 2 or 3 times a week. So stay tuned to this channel. Same bat time, same bat channel. See you later. Have a great day. Bye.